Want your garden to look like $1,000,000 without spending it? Stick around, because today I'm sharing genius Dollar Tree garden hacks that you'll wish you tried sooner. Welcome to Green Haven Homes, where we turn everyday items into stunning garden transformations. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a budget-friendly garden hack that will make your neighbors jealous. Hack number 1. DIY planter upgrade. If your garden planters are looking a little dull, Dollar Tree has exactly what you need to give them a high-end makeover without breaking the bank. Start with simple buckets, baskets or bins, and transform them with a little paint, rope or decorative stickers. A coat of spray paint instantly elevates the look, while wrapping the planter with jute rope adds a rustic professional touch. Once your planter is ready, fill it with soil and your favorite flowers or greenery, and watch as a simple Dollar Tree find becomes the centerpiece of your garden. For an extra touch of sophistication, top your planter with moss, pebbles, or even tiny garden figurines. These little details make a huge difference, giving your DIY project that expensive, designer look. The best part? You can mix and match colors, textures, and materials to create a collection of planters that feel custom-made. This hack proves you don't need to spend a fortune to make your garden look like a magazine spread. Hack number 2. Creative plant labels. Keeping your garden organized and stylish is easier than you think with this simple Dollar Tree hack. Use popsicle sticks, clothespins, or even plastic spoons to create your own plant labels. Grab a permanent marker or a paint pen and write the name of each plant clearly. Not only does this help you remember what you planted, but it also adds a cute, crafty touch to your garden that visitors will notice. To make your labels last longer, spray them with a clear waterproof coat so they can withstand sun, rain, and watering. You can also get creative with colors, patterns, or even tiny illustrations of the plants themselves. This hack turns everyday items into functional art, giving your garden both charm and practicality. With just a few minutes and a few dollars, your plants will be clearly labeled, and your garden will look organized and professional. Hack number 3. Mini greenhouse setup. Give your seedlings and delicate plants the perfect start with a DIY mini greenhouse using items from Dollar Tree. Clear storage containers make excellent tiny greenhouses that trap warmth and moisture, creating an ideal environment for young plants. Simply place your seedlings in a shallow tray, cover them with the container, and make sure to leave a small gap or drill a few holes for ventilation. This simple setup helps your plants grow stronger and faster, and it's perfect for extending the growing season or protecting plants from unpredictable weather. For an added touch, you can decorate the outside of your container with labels, paint, or even small garden stickers to make it look like a professional greenhouse. Mini greenhouses aren't just functional, they can be stylish additions to your garden space. Whether you're a beginner gardener or just looking for an inexpensive way to boost plant growth, this hack proves that you don't need fancy equipment to give your plants the care they deserve. Hack number 4. Hanging herb garden. Maximize your space and add a touch of charm with a hanging herb garden using simple Dollar Tree items. Plastic baskets, S-hooks, and some sturdy rope or chain can be transformed into vertical planters that hang beautifully on a porch, balcony, or even a sunny kitchen window. Line your baskets with cocoa liners or fabric to hold the soil, then fill them with your favorite herbs like basil, thyme, or parsley. This not only saves space, but also keeps fresh herbs within easy reach for cooking. You can mix and match baskets of different sizes, or layer them at varying heights to create a visually appealing display. Adding a few decorative touches, like tiny garden ornaments or painted labels, makes your hanging herb garden look thoughtfully designed and expensive. This hack is perfect for small spaces or urban gardens, proving that even a tiny area can be transformed into a lush, productive, and stylish garden feature. Hack number 5. Garden tool organizer. Keep your garden neat and your tools easy to find with this clever Dollar Tree hack. Use pegboards, hooks, or small baskets to create a dedicated garden tool station that keeps everything from trowels to pruning shears organized. You can mount a pegboard on a shed wall, or simply hang hooks on a fence, while baskets and bins hold smaller items, like gloves, seed packets, or plant ties. This simple setup not only saves time searching for tools, but also prevents clutter and damage, keeping your garden looking tidy and professional. To elevate the look, consider painting your pegboard or baskets in coordinating colors or labeling each section, so everything has a home. Even small decorative touches, like a rustic sign or tiny planter, can make your tool area feel intentional and stylish. This hack proves that organization doesn't have to be boring. By using affordable Dollar Tree items, you can create a functional and visually appealing garden workspace that makes maintaining your garden easier and more enjoyable. Hack number 6. Decorative stone path transform. Ordinary walkways into charming garden paths, using affordable items from Dollar Tree. Pick up stepping stones, river rocks, or small pebbles and arrange them creatively to guide visitors through your garden. Whether you lay them in a straight line, create a winding path, or mix different sizes and colors, these simple elements instantly elevate the look of your outdoor space. Not only do they add functionality, but they also create a polished, professionally landscaped feel without spending a fortune. For added interest, combine textures and colors to make your path stand out. You can place small solar lights along the edges, or tuck in low-growing flowers between stones, to create a magical, inviting atmosphere. This hack is perfect for sprucing up drab areas and adding personality to your garden, proving that even small, inexpensive touches can make a big visual impact. Hack number 7. Upcycled garden art. Add personality and charm to your garden with upcycled Dollar Tree items that double as creative art pieces. Picture using small frames, mirrors or figurines, then giving them a fresh coat of paint or weatherproof finish to transform them into eye-catching decorations. You can hang them on fences, place them among plants, or even use them as focal points in flower beds. This simple approach not only reduces waste, but also gives your garden a unique personalized look that reflects your style. To make your upcycled art stand out, consider combining different textures, colors, and heights. For example, a painted frame paired with a miniature figurine creates a whimsical scene that draws the eye. You can also rotate pieces seasonally, or mix them with your DIY planters for an integrated design. This hack shows that creativity and a little imagination can turn ordinary, inexpensive items into extraordinary garden accents that make your outdoor space feel one of a kind. Hack number 8. DIY vertical garden. Save space and add a lush, vibrant look to any small garden or balcony with a DIY vertical garden using Dollar Tree items. Shoe organizers, crates, or wall planters can easily be mounted to walls, fences, or railings to hold multiple plants in one compact area. Simply line the pockets or containers with fabric or cocoa liners, fill with soil, and plant your favorite flowers, herbs, or succulents. Vertical gardens are perfect for small spaces, maximizing your planting area while creating a striking visual impact. For an extra touch of style, mix plants with different textures, colors, and heights. You can even add small labels, decorative stones, or fairy lights to make your vertical garden pop. This hack proves that you don't need a large backyard to have a thriving, beautiful garden. Smart use of space and affordable materials can create a green wall that feels both lush and luxurious. Hack number 9. Self-watering planters. Keep your plants hydrated effortlessly with a self-watering planter using simple Dollar Tree supplies. Plastic cups or bottles can be transformed into clever watering systems with just a few modifications. For example, cut a bottle in half, invert the top into the bottom half, and fill the wick with soil. This allows water to slowly seep into the soil, keeping your plants hydrated even if you're busy or away from home. It's perfect for flowers, herbs, or small vegetable plants that need consistent moisture. To enhance the look, you can decorate the outside of your self-watering planter with paint, washi tape, or labels that match your garden's aesthetic. Not only is this hack functional, but it also keeps your plants healthy and thriving without constant attention. With a little creativity, a few Dollar Tree bottles become a smart, stylish solution that makes gardening easier and stress-free. Hack number 10. Decorative bird feeders. Invite wildlife into your garden, while adding charm with decorative bird feeders made from Dollar Tree items. Simple jars, small trays, or even plastic bottles can be transformed into feeders with minimal effort. Paint or decorate the outside, add a string or hook for hanging, and fill them with birdseed. Placing feeders near flowers or shrubs not only attracts birds, but also encourages pollination, bringing life and movement to your outdoor space. For an extra touch, try grouping multiple feeders at different heights, or incorporating colorful accents to make the setup visually appealing. This hack turns everyday items into functional garden decor, providing both beauty and utility. With a little creativity, your garden can become a haven for birds, making it feel lively, welcoming and thoughtfully designed, all without spending a fortune. Hack number 11. Affordable garden lighting. Give your garden a magical glow, without breaking the bank, using Dollar Tree solar lights or string lights. Line pathways, tuck lights into planters, or hang them along fences to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Solar lights are not only energy efficient, but also easy to install, making them a perfect addition to any garden. With just a few dollars, you can instantly elevate your outdoor space and make it feel cozy and enchanting after the sun goes down. For an extra touch of creativity, place the lights inside clear jars to create DIY lanterns, or cluster multiple lights together for a whimsical effect. You can also combine them with stones, plants, or decorative elements for a layered, stylish look. This hack proves that affordable lighting can completely transform the mood of your garden, turning it into a dreamy, illuminated haven without expensive fixtures. Hack number 12. Plant support structures. Keep your plants neat, healthy and upright, with simple support structures using Dollar Tree items. Bamboo skewers, sticks, or small trellis kits can be easily installed to support tomatoes, beans or taller flowers. Position them carefully in the soil, and gently tie plants with soft twine or clips to prevent damage. This not only helps your plants grow stronger, but also gives your garden a clean, organized appearance. To make the supports look intentional and stylish, paint them to match your garden theme, or decorate with small charms or labels. You can also arrange multiple supports creatively to form an attractive pattern among your plants. This hack shows that functional elements don't have to look boring. Using affordable materials, you can keep your garden healthy while maintaining a polished, well-designed aesthetic. Hack number 13. Seasonal decor switch-up. Keep your garden fresh and festive all year long with seasonal decor from Dollar Tree. Small pumpkins, mini flags, ornaments or themed planters can easily be swapped out to reflect holidays or changing seasons. By adding a few seasonal touches, your garden feels vibrant and updated without major effort or expense, making it an easy way to refresh your outdoor space and impress visitors. To elevate the effect, rotate decorations strategically and mix them with existing plants or planters for a cohesive look. You can also create small vignettes, like a fall corner with pumpkins and gourds, or a spring setup with colorful flowers and figurines. This hack proves that even small, inexpensive changes can make your garden feel alive, welcoming and beautifully curated throughout the year. And there you have it, 13 genius Dollar Tree garden hacks that make your garden look stunning without spending a fortune. From DIY planters and vertical gardens to decorative lighting and seasonal decor, these simple, affordable ideas prove that creativity and a little effort can completely transform your outdoor space. If you tried any of these hacks or have your own budget-friendly garden tips, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Green Haven Homes, and hit the bell so you never miss another garden hack that will make your space look incredible. Stay tuned, because next week we'll bring even more tips to turn your garden into a beautiful, budget-friendly paradise.